Welcome to our showcase of the top 5 universities with the best computer science program. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have Carnegie Mellon University, USA. This university is applauded for its cross-disciplinary methodology, incorporating engineering, psychology, and business within its computer science curriculum. Among their notables is Randy Pausch, a co-founder of CMU's Entertainment Technology Center. Coming in fourth is the University of California, Berkeley, USA. It is appreciated for its commitment to research and education, fostering a diverse community, and providing access to state-of-the-art facilities. Eric Schmidt, an ex-CEO of Google, received his PhD from Berkeley. On the third spot is Stanford, USA. Their comprehensive program extends from AI to cybersecurity, making Stanford an incubator for innovation. Google's co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin are proud alumni of Stanford. At number 2, we have Harvard University, USA. Their robust, interdisciplinary approach offers a broad range of courses and research opportunities. The tech giants, Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates, are among its distinguished alumni. And finally, our number 1 spot is held by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. Rigorous curriculum, world-class professors, and cutting-edge facilities, MIT consistently leads the pack. Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web, is one of the esteemed alumni of this institution. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 universities for computer science. Stay curious, never stop learning. Make sure to follow Galaxy Developer for more content like this. Stay connected, stay updated.